What's up everybody, my name is Koen from Hovalo. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through what is Bumble Spotlight, can you use it, and what are its limitations. Similar to Tinder Boost, Bumble Spotlight is a feature that increases your profile visibility by putting it on the top of the deck for 30 minutes. Think of it this way, when a woman opens Bumble, they will get shown a category of guy profiles. And when you activate Bumble Spotlight, you will get bumped up to the top of that list. So for 30 minutes, you'll be at the top of that card deck she's been swiping through. This causes your profile to be viewed a lot more, which can potentially lead to a lot more matches, and that's what we like to see. Now let's talk about how to use Bumble Spotlight. There are two ways you can get Bumble Spotlights. Either through a Bumble subscription or to buy them individually. The upside when you subscribe to a Bumble subscription like Bumble Boost or Bumble Premium is that you will get one free Spotlight every week. Now if you're using the free version of Bumble, there's still a way to get Bumble Spotlights. You can buy them individually. That means you can test them without any big commitments. The big question is, how much does a Spotlight cost? When you buy in one single Bumble Spotlight, it will set you back $5.99. But if you buy them in bulk, you can get them for a price between $1 and $2 each. If you plan on purchasing Bumble Spotlights individually, you have to go through these easy steps. Open Bumble, go to your account tab, tap on Spotlight, select and make the purchase. Ta-da! You'll be immediately at the top of the deck and no one will have any idea that you've used a Bumble Spotlight. Bumble Spotlight is an incredible feature if you want to save time and get better results. However, if you believe that throwing money at Bumble will magically fix all your online dating issues, you are wrong. Bumble Spotlight is no magic fix. What's the catch? Location, time, and above everything else, your online dating profile. First, let's talk about the best time to use your Bumble Spotlight. If you activate your Bumble Spotlight when nobody is online, you're obviously wasting money. According to Bumble, the best time to use Bumble Spotlight is between 6 and 10. Preferably on the weekends, since that's the peak period when people are swiping. Now let's talk about location. It is important to take note that if you live in an unpopulated area, the effectiveness of your Bumble Spotlight will be very low. The opposite goes for a densely populated area. You will unlikely be stacked in every girl's deck without the help of a Bumble Spotlight. Now you know how to use it based on your location and time. But what if you're still not getting any likes? Before you spend a lot of money on spotlights, you have to make sure that your profile is competitive. If your profile isn't at least decent, it doesn't matter how many people see it, it won't be enough to convince a lot of girls to swipe you right. There are many points to creating a good profile. Let's run quickly through some of the main points. Number one, your photos. Your first photo is the first thing a girl sees when she looks at your profile. So if that doesn't say how important this one is, I don't know what will. The second point is your bio. A boring bio makes you look, you guessed it, boring. The third thing is your prompts. These are more like the highlights. Bumble Spotlight is an incredibly useful feature for everyone. But the key is to use the Bumble Spotlight the right way, at the right time, and make sure that your profile doesn't suck. If your profile isn't competitive, first work on your profile before spending money on Bumble Spotlights. That was it for what you needed to know about Bumble Spotlights. If you use Tinder, make sure to check out a video about Tinder Boost so you can compare the two and see what gives the best value for money for you. I hope you learned something, and if you did, like the video and subscribe for more content about online dating. If you've ever used Bumble Spotlights before, I would love to hear your experience with them. And if you're planning on using them, let me know as well. This was it for Bumble Spotlights. See you in the next video.